Brand new video packed with action showcasing why you should never lose focus when driving, as a small lack of focus can cause huge consequences. Please do not be like these idiots in cars and enjoy the video. This driver was not missing his turn no matter the consequences. The Dashcam car did not care at all. He continued his journey. Reckless driver on the freeway causes a crash and collides with multiple cars. This is the wildest aftermath of a crash you'll see today. He flew over 7 houses.
Probably say, I don't know, from where it launched, 250 yards. Coming down that big hill in Maple Ridge here. You can see the tire marks there. Jumped. Cleared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 houses and landed upside down in someone's backyard.
Pull up next to this one. Pull up next to me. What's up? Let's go where? Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Go fuck yourself. Pussy. Ah, you.
This is like 10 million worth of damages caused by idiots. Watch as this mini truck gets punished after not paying attention and breaking road rules. Car did burnouts and speeding on a residential street and quickly found out he's not that guy, but just an idiot with a car.
Yeah.
Look, it's got a thing on the it's got a thing on the oh. You're a dick. An absolute dick, mate. You got a video of him?
Yeah.
No,
That's
he's the driver there, and he's a dick. What do you mean what's happened? You're fried, mate. Stay here until, have you got, call the cops, mate. Call the cops. Was not an accident, you peanut. There's kids around, mate. You would have killed someone.
Yeah.
Colleen, move away.
He couldn't handle the turn going at high speed and quickly learned a lesson.
There he goes. Oh shit. Damn, he took out the light. Oh shit. He's on fire. There he goes. Oh shit. Damn, he took out the light. Oh shit.
Semi-truck didn't pay attention and learned a lesson to not turn unless you're sure there is nothing coming.
As a side note, I would tell people, for Godfather fans, read the book. It's one of the best fiction. I mean, it's a reason why the movie was so good. Well, all of them. Actually, not the third one, the 1 and 2. The book is incredible. So if there are Godfather fans out there who have not read the book, I highly recommend it. I'm going to timidly ask you, have you seen The Godfather? The ultimate. As a side note, I would tell people, for Godfather fans, read the book. It's one of the best fiction. I mean, it's a reason why the movie was so good. Well, all of them. Actually, not the third one, the 1 and 2. The book is incredible. So if there are Godfather fans out there who have not read the book, I highly recommend it.
Get the surprise that, oh, hello. Oh shit! Woo!
That was her fault.
That was really close.